Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. Today, we're going to learn how to create a Home Depot account online. Open the website at homedepot.com. And on their website, you will see an option that says My Account. Click on My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see a Register button. Click on the Register button. Now, select the account type, whether personal account or Pro Extra account. So as stated, personal account is basically for shopping for yourself, while Pro Extra account is for making purchases for your business. To proceed, click on the Select and Continue button under the account type you would like to select. So in this video, we selected the personal account type. Now on this page, enter all the required information. After entering, click on the tick box beside Verify my mobile number via text message or phone call. You could also click on the tick box beside Keep me signed in, if you wish to keep your account signed in on the device you're using. Also, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot, to indicate that you are not a robot. After that, click on the Create an Account button. Now you will receive a verification code to the number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify. However, if you want to skip this part, click on the button that says Skip for now and create my account. Then on this page, choose your subscriptions. After choosing, click on the Subscribe button. But you wish to skip this, just click on the Skip for now and Continue Shopping button. And now your account has been created. That's how you create a Home Depot account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.